Blocking someone on WhatsApp is a straightforward process that works consistently across iPhone, Android, and other mobile devices. This tutorial walks through the steps to block a contact and explains what happens when you do. Steps to block a contact: first, open the WhatsApp application on your device. Navigate to the chat containing the contact you wish to block. At the top of the chat screen, tap the contact's name to access their information page. This opens a screen displaying various options related to that contact. Scroll down to the bottom of this information screen. Two options appear: block and report. Tap the block button. A confirmation dialog appears explaining the consequences. It states that the blocked person will not be able to message or call you. They will not be notified that you have blocked or reported them. The dialog also offers the option to block and report, which sends the last 5 messages from the chat to WhatsApp for review. Select either block or block and report based on your preference. The contact is now blocked. What happens after blocking? The blocked contact receives no notification that they have been blocked. From their perspective, messages they send will not be delivered and calls will not connect, but they will not know why. This process can be repeated for any number of contacts. Blocked contacts can be unblocked at any time through WhatsApp settings if the situation changes. The process remains the same regardless of device type or operating system.